Welcome back. Now, Maryam Abacha American University in Kano has welcomed more than 1,200 new students for the 2024-2025 academic session. Now, what makes this matriculation stand out is not just the impressive number of students, but also the inclusion of over 100 international undergraduates from various countries studying critical disciplines in science and humanities. Now, this diverse and expanding academic body is also set to contribute significantly to addressing the country's skills gap and fostering global collaboration. Here is Adamu with the rest of this report for Newsline.
With the matriculation number of the Department of...
This marks the official enrollment of the students into Maryam Abacha American University Academic, as approved by the National Universities Commission, NUC.
I'm so excited to matriculate today in this prestigious university and very glad to be a part of this family.
I'm very happy to be matriculating today in this beautiful university. The architecture is beautiful, the founder is very nice, the teachers, the lecturers are very cooperative.
The teachers in Maryam Abacha are well-trained teachers. They are qualified teachers.
I'm so excited to continue my journey in this university, and I love Nigeria so much.
The founder of MAAUN Group of Universities, Professor Adamu Abubakar, advised the matriculating students to face their studies with seriousness, saying anyone who fails to measure up will be dismissed. While assuring the student of the university's commitment to sustaining the provision of quality education, Professor Adamu Abubakar assured them that they stand to benefit from the university's profound intellectual and material investments.
Here, we are giving degree based on character and learning. Our students of Niger, they make us proud. They are the most employed graduate in the West African region.
For the parents, it is a dream come true in the quest for quality education for their children.
Alhamdulillah, what I have seen today at the matriculation exercise for 100 level students, I know this is a very serious school, and inshallah it will succeed and reach greater heights.
I'm really impressed from the environment to the crop of academicians we've seen in the school.
According to our dream, this university is perfect and fantastic.
I love everything, the decency, the way they dress, and the academics. We love it. That's why we put our children here.
President Maryam Abacha American University, Kano, Nigeria, Professor Mohammad Israr said the university offers its students the best in cutting-edge research and service delivery in science, leadership, and management.
At Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, we take pride in training students in academic work. We are focused on the character development of our students.
There were goodwill messages from the Vice President Administration of MAAUN Maradi Niger Republic, Dr. Shuaibu Tanku, and other dignitaries.